Alright, g'day guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today we've got a pretty exciting few things to do. We're setting up an FPV track. We're putting together a little tiny whoop. We're flying the FPV tracks. And yeah, I guess we're gonna get started. And first of all, I gotta say sorry for the audio because sometimes the audio is shocking. I'm working on a new mic, so yeah. Let's get into making this little tiny whoop. Alright. Yeah, so we got the whoop, made the whoop, the little E-sheen converted with a little camera on top. Very cool. This is a new E-sheen, which is nice. And I think I'm going to be chasing Arlo around the house a bit. I'll show you some DVR while I'll just do a quick lap. And are you ready, Arlo?
Yeah.
Run, boy, run, go.
Why are we just crazy?
Oh yeah. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Well,
you came in so close to me.
I crashed.
You're
Whoa! Oh. Where did he go? Where is he? Ah. There he is. Alright, so we have the quad ready. Bit of a sketchy system of mounting the GoPro on here, but you know, hopefully it does its job. I am working on getting another two GoPros, I think, like Hero 4s, so hopefully I'll be able to get some better footage because the GoPro 3 is 1080p. Why is that out of focus? The GoPro 3 is 1080p at 25, but I want something a bit better, so it'll be 1440 at 60. So I'm going to go out and fly this and I'll show you the first track number 1. So got the quad and I'm going to start video. There it is. And actually crashed into a bug the other day, so hopefully that's not going to affect.
You can. Should I start filming now?
No, keep filming. Right, so got the camper. I'm not hitting the gates right at the moment just because I'm still getting a bit used to the gates. So this will come out here. And this is the fun part here, right? This is when we go through. And that's when you're supposed to hit that gate. Around here. I'm going to cut it a bit close to that. GoPro, you'll see probably just a bit of dust and dirt.
Well, didn't you wreck a little propeller or something?
No, that's fine. Everything's fine from what it looks here, so I'm just going to do a bit more flying. GoPro's still recording, but yeah, you probably saw that was pretty shocking flying. I might actually see that motor bell's a bit loose. I'll do some acro, I think, because that's what you guys want to see. And
yeah.
Running from the morning, think I hit a wall. Late nights, not you. Running from the moment, so I don't recall. Late nights, not you. Waking up in a cold sweat, someone else in this cold bed. I'd do anything to not be alone. All alone with the ceiling, all alone with this feeling. And I wonder if I'll ever let go. I tried spending my nights under someone new, but the truth is I could spend my whole life getting over you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get over you, get over you, get over you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Drowning in my coffee.
And we're back. It's the next day. It's about lunchtime, 1 o'clock, and yeah, pretty good night last night. Went to Ed Sheeran. That was very awesome. He's such a great live performer. But today, well, we're still trying to do these gates and tracks and everything. So what I was thinking, someone made a suggestion to put a ring gate hanging from a tree in that track down in the other paddock. So we're going to make a ring gate and then tie it to the tree, like hang it from the tree with some rope. But first, started cutting this pipe that will slot inside of the noodles. I realised that I probably won't get out to flying the one in the other paddock, so I might just end up doing, oh, this is split. I might just end up getting to fly the other track a bit better, because now it's got the whippersnip stuff. So I'm not sure how I'll go, but I'm going to try and at least set up some gates for it. So yeah, that's going to be really fun, and I'll try and do some more flying and get some more footage in. Also, one other thing, I'm recording with the GoPro Hero 3 on top of the drone, and it hasn't got image stabilization very well. So you can probably see there's a lot of little bumps and little issues there, so that's a bit annoying. As I said, I'm working on a Hero 4, so it's going to be good. Gee, I'm a good snapper, aren't I?
Right, where?
Alright, I just put together this ring gate. It was really simple, actually. It just had 3 noodles, 3 joiners of PVC, and they seem to be going together quite well. If you wanted to and you wanted it permanent, you could probably put some hot glue in between, and that would keep them there. But I think it's good. Sizing is pretty good because I'm not very good at hitting smaller gates, so this should be just perfect. And then I'll hang it from a rope like that. Alright, Arlo, what are we making here?
Making a little thing
A little thing. What's the little thing?
to put your drones on when you're about to fly off, so they don't get on the grass and.
Yeah, exactly. So, Arlo started making a thing, and I asked what he was making. Turns out he start making? You just start making something. I said, oh, do you want to make like a little platform, a starting platform? Because there is a lot of long grass out in the paddocks, and sometimes it's a bit hard to, sometimes it is a bit hard to start in the grass because the grass gets caught in the motors and it's a bit of a pain. So what he's doing, and also sometimes it tips over if you've got an undermounted battery, underslung battery. So what we're planning to do, and what Arlo's planning to do, is we've got a little platform. It's a bit off the grass here, or a bit off the concrete. Alright, so we have built our contraption that kind of looks like a little, I don't know, plane or something. Basically, how it works, we've got a GoPro mount here. That's for like the starting shots. And we've got these two blocks here. The battery sits like in between there, and then you start off. It's for undermounted batteries. And then on this side I got the same. I just got this little divider to make sure there's no little fights when they start on the starting block. So yeah, I think we're gonna go and test it. I'm gonna Alright, so as you can see in the background, we have Arlo. He's setting up the little thingamabob, little starter, and for the first lap, you don't hit this first gate. You just go over it, and then you do this that second gate, come around, and then that's when you hit the second gate. And not sure really how to time it, but I've got the GoPro, and I'm just going to time it within the video. So as I play the video over, I'll just time it that way. And
running from the morning, think I hit a wall. Late nights, not you. Running from the moment, so I don't recall.